So my darlings, look it's snowing. Yeah. Wish you could. It's like a Hallmark snow. It's March 19th, 2024. Let's just see if you can see it better this way. It's still winter here. And it's cold out too. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. So my darlings, here's a salad that I made for my lunch. And oh, I can't wait to get into this. This smells so good. This is butterflied garlic shrimp. And as you can see, if you've been following me, I just love shrimp and lobster and seafood and that kind of thing. But anyways, just kind of like a garden salad with a little bit of broccoli, some coleslaw shred, and just lettuce and the shrimp, and it's a little bit of Caesar dressing and a little bit of lemon juice and ground pepper. Good. Hope you're all having a great lunch. So my darlings, we picked up this organic spirals chickpea pasta. It says it's plant-based. I've never had pasta made by chickpeas before, and I do like chickpeas, so we thought we'd try it. We got this at Costco, and you get a pretty big box. So I made a pasta, and I'm going to show it to you. So I made my own little white sauce, and I air fried some garlic butterfly shrimp. And this is my chickpea pasta shrimp that I'm going to have for my lunch. So I'll have to let you know how it goes. But it does smell good. Good. So my darlings, here's the sauce that I made. This is actually the second sauce, but it's the same sauce as I used for the meal prior to the clip that you just saw, but I forgot to show you the sauce. So I made, the next day I made some more because I had leftovers, right? And the sauce of the pasta just sucks right into the pasta, so I made some more. So it'd be nice and sauce, you know, to have some sauce on the rest of my leftover pasta. So, this is the sauce. I'm going to be cooking up some more of that chickpea pasta. And I also have some leftover chicken, as a clip you would have saw beforehand. I had a chicken, a breast of chicken, and so I saved half of it for, so I could use it for my pasta for today's lunch. So I just sliced it up there. So my darlings, here's my pasta, my leftover chicken, my leftover sauce that I made from scratch. And then these chickpea, it's a chickpea pasta. I'm not really actually a fan. It's alright, I'll eat it, but I probably wouldn't buy it again. We got that at Costco, the actual pasta. But here's my lunch. Looking forward to eating it though. Good. So here's what I made hubby for dinner tonight. What's for dinner tonight for him? Kind of like a breakfast for dinner. There's egg and cheese and toast, and I made some home fries, and there's some sausage on there. So that's what he's having for dinner tonight. Here's what I'm having for dinner tonight. Big piece of chicken. And good. So hubby picked up this 50% off chocolate filled with Belgium chocolate cake. We get this quite often, but it was 50% off, so he picked it up. And I just have a little bit left there. But anyways, I just wanted to come on because I saw a video some lady made. She had bought the same cake for the 50% off, and she's ranting and raving and carrying on and saying how dry it is, which she is kind of right there. It was kind of dry. And she was looking for the filled with Belgian chocolate, and it's actually in the cake. But she wanted it on top, and she was like swearing, and then she's like, well, where's the cake? 'Cause there's like a hole here. And so I just think, so anyways, I sent my hubby the video of this lady ranting and raving about this cake. We like it. And I looked at the comments of her video, and people were like saying, well, just put some ice cream or whipped cream or whatever. And I've actually shared a little dessert that I kind of make with this. And normally it isn't as dry, but it is 50% off. So I'm gathering that means it's getting old. So what do you expect?
Tell her she can make it herself if she doesn't want to pay that kind of money. I bet it's more expensive if she makes it herself.
Anyways, that's my little rant. She just made me kind of laugh. I mean, I feel for her, I guess. Now I'm not. So my darlings, we're continuing on with some more leftovers. I had a little bit of that chickpea pasta left and a little bit of my sauce, so I just cooked up some shrimp and heated the sauce in the pasta and put it all together. And I also made my little, I call this a dupe to like a Caesar drink. It's actually V8 juice with some hot sauce, Worcestershire, and ground pepper, and then that Red Lobster seasoning, and you just stir it all together, and oh my gosh, it's so good. This is what I'm having for lunch. So my darlings, we have this dill pickle hummus we got from Costco. That's what it looks like. It's huge. Gluten free. There's the name brand there. I heard dill pickle hummus is good, but I heard it was from a different brand that you can get at Metro. But I hadn't had a chance to try it, but I saw this. So we're going to try this now and see. I am a big dill pickle lover, so we're going to try some of this. I'll let you know how it goes. So my darlings, I have this broccoli and cheddar rice that I picked up from Dollarama, and I have to thank, and I hope I'm going to say her name right, Gemini. She's a fellow Canadian, and she does Dollarama hauls, and I believe it was her that picked this up, and she said her and her family like it, and it's ready to eat. It's non-GMO, no artificial flavors, no artificial colors, and PPA free, and it's supposed to be ready in 90 seconds. So I thought I'd try it out for what we're having for dinner tonight. And sorry for the the noise in the background. That's just the air fryer going. But yeah, so we're going to try this, and you just cook it, as you can see there, and you cook it in this package, I guess. And I love broccoli and cheddar rice from other brands, so I'm going to try this. So here it is, my darlings. The rice is cooked. The broccoli and cheddar rice. It kind of has like, I don't know, a weird smell to it, so we'll see. I'll let you know if we liked it or not. But here it is for both of us. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. We have some pork here that I did up in the fryer, and this rice that was from Dollarama that we're going to try, and I got some broccoli that I fried up and put some cheese sauce on it. That's what we're having for dinner tonight. I'll have to let you know how it goes. Hopefully good. Fingers crossed. Here's my lunch today, my darlings, and it's pretty decadent, but it's a pretty dreary day outside, so I thought I'd make myself some comfort food. This is some shrimp pasta with the cream sauce, and oh boy, I can't wait to get into this. And the shrimp I got from Costco. It's a raw shrimp, and I cooked it up. And I made the sauce and cooked up some spaghetti noodles there. Good. Yum, yum, yum. So easy and so delicious. And so comforting.